Morning, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 12, Interpreting Communication, part 4. This is about health literacy, so we're going to have some great information in this content section that talks about communicating with patients. Healthcare can be confusing and a variety of different things. So, you have a great lecture here from Judy Wheel. I hope that you're able to watch it and um, really take the time to go through its innate conversation. I think she does a great job here of talking about health literacy from a clinical standpoint. Further, a great TED talk and some links here that I think is going to be helpful for you as you think about health literacy broadly and not just from the perspective of your work, but also from the patient's end. And then homework, you have homework that's due Sunday at midnight. What does health literacy mean to you? Talk about it a little bit in one paragraph APA format. That is due, of course, 7:31 by midnight. If you have any questions related to this, please let me know. I look forward to seeing your homework done, and if there's anything that comes up, of course, reach out. Thanks so much.